Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to open an MG Hector key. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the hidden physical key blade. Once released, gently pull the key blade completely out of its slot. This action reveals a small opening or a seam that will help you proceed with opening the fob. Now, with the key blade removed, you'll see a small slot or indentation. Carefully insert a thin, flathead screwdriver into this opening. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. This action will help to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small, circular battery. It's typically a CR2032 coin cell battery. Carefully note its orientation before removal. Use a small, non-metallic tool, like a plastic pry tool or a tiny screwdriver, to gently lift out the old battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces upwards, just as the old one was. To reassemble your key fob, carefully align the two halves. Press them together firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the physical key blade back into its designated slot until it locks into position. Finally, test your key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.